I kind of like. I only have 2 more things so I can show you guys. So the next thing that we got is no more, please. But this slime, it's putty slime or fluffy slime. I do not know. But this slime is super nice and super bubble. Super, oh, it didn't even pop. But super duper nice. Look how it can go. Oh wow. So cute. You guys wanna see that again? Let's do it. My slime is gonna go down all the way to, oh no. Oh no. Good thing I didn't drop it. But yeah, favorite things about it. We still have a lot more fidgets to see. You guys have one more fidget so I can show you guys. I mostly showed you guys 6 of my fidgets. Now let's close this one. Close it good so it won't spill. And we're just gonna yank that out. So yeah. He's still here. Yeah, bye. But now I'm gonna show you guys my next and final fidget. I'm gonna get more, so that's okay. So I'm gonna get more. But I'm gonna show you guys when 2 of my packets fidgets come. So yeah, well actually I'm gonna show you guys one. Then I'm gonna show you the other one, my other fidgets come. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. Phew.